We're talking about the sun and the earth going around the sun. And we're thinking in 3D, and we're thinking about the earth going around the sun in space. My lemon is the sun. Now, I sit here, and I've done this for 10 years now, and I look at winter to summer, to winter to summer, over and over again, and I watch where the sun rises each morning, and I know that it's not always even. It's not a smooth travel. I know we're wobbling and that sort of changes things, but let's just talk about one word we've got here. It's aura. And you'll notice Raven, which is planet Ra, is in the word aura. And I said, this is like, what are we going to get out of this? 4 letters. Well, we've got a mountain that it could be the biggest ones. K2, Everest, Annapurna. We've got our glaciated valley shape in the U, and then we've got Ra and the planet. So there's more information in this word. Let's look at aura. Let's look at an ore. Okay. AU is gold, so it's cold in space. We look for rhymes. Gold, cold. Gabrielle went to Hemis Monastery without a moon suit. Rightio. Let's all think about Gabrielle, and you can look them up on YouTube. Now, stars generate light in the electromagnetic spectrum. If you go to Ladakh, where Gabrielle's just come from, there are lots of stars and you can see them all. You can see so many, you can't believe how many they are. But each star generates compression waves in the light spectrum, otherwise we couldn't see them, right? So they're about electronic wavelength size, close enough. You've got those as well, they generate heat. But waves add, right? So in space, because there are stars, you can see them, and our sun is a star. They generate this golden light, if they're stars, because our sun is a star and it's golden light. And then you've got silver light, and then you've got red light coming in. But anyway, waves add, and that's why colours change as you get distance. It's a big story, get into physics. But we, as we think about all of our trips, summer over there, winter over there, each day the sun rises, it's not exactly an even, smooth trip. We suggest that the waves add, and that we're actually on universal wavelengths, and we go like we're in a sort of a small boat with an oar. And as the earth spins, it sort of goes boom, boom. And we're not actually smoothly riding like a car. We're more like in a kayak with an oar. So here's Gabrielle with his camera and an oar. And there are the waves, but they're probably not that even. And you can imagine the waves we're on are always changing. So every time we go around the sun, we're in like this big universe full of wavelengths that are adding up and changing all the time. So it's always a surprise, and you can never be quite sure. Now, here we've got Rose and Leo on the bow of the Titanic with their arms out, a little bit like Gabrielle's got his arms out. And the wind's in their face, and they're on the North Atlantic. Remember this picture. Right.